Hi everyone, welcome to Lunar Sponge. Today I will introduce to you the production line of our filter cotton rolls. First, come to our factory. This is a cutting process, cutting and trimming from large plates. Then we enter the packaging process of our product. We first put the product into an op bag, and then it is shrunk by heat shrinkage. This is the rolled filter cotton roll after sealing. Let's take a look. This is a fine pour filter cotton roll. It is mainly used on the eaves, waterproof and dustproof.
I'll tear it. Let me show you the details of our product.
We have added a tearable sticker section to help customers. This is our grid glue. It's very beautiful. The grid is clear and sticky glue. Okay, let me show you the aperture of our filter cotton. This is a fine hole. Follow us. You can get free samples
And color page design details